Hey Lennar fans, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are previewing our newest listing here in Bonita National Golf and Country Club. It's 17390 Galway Run. This here is the Victoria floor plan, part of the executive line of homes that you're going to find here at Bonita National. Let's run inside and take a look at this beautiful home. So the Victoria floor plan is a 2+ den, 1,850 square foot home. As we come inside directly to the right hand side, you've got the access to your indoor laundry space with the utility sink and additional cabinetry above the washer and dryer. You've got your guest bathroom here with the single sink and commode and shower setup. And then you've got your guest bedroom right off the guest bath, featuring the bifold style closet doors here. Directly across from the guest bedroom is the den. Now this is a true den. There is no closet in here, but many folks have turned this into a third bedroom by utilizing some furniture pieces. Now this opens up into a beautiful great room design here in the Victoria. So directly to the right, you've got your dedicated dining spot here. And then you've got your kitchen overlooking the great room here. Nice open kitchen here. You've got the wall oven, microwave, nice size pantry, and this is all overlooking this entire great room space here. You do have another area right here, which you can utilize as a sitting area as well. We've seen that in many of these floor plans. Now, directly across from the kitchen area, this is where you're gonna see your master suite. Huge master with access out to your lanai areas. And then right down this way, you've got your closets as well as your master bath featuring the split sinks. You've got your corner soaking tub, your walk-in style shower, and you've got your enclosed water closet right there as well. Last but not least is the exterior space on this home. So the Victoria is one of the unique floor plans here in Bonita National, where this home features a pool bath on the lanai. You don't see that in any of the other executive homes. So right through there, that is your pool bath. And back here, this overlooks the preserve, and there is plenty of room to add a beautiful pool back here as well. All right, folks, so if you are interested in this listing, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Roberto Lee, this is Pinnacle Property, and we appreciate you watching.